Hey guys, it's Henry from Mowers and Blowers. I was just screwing around the Let Go app last night, and I saw this posting real quick. At the curb, right now. 2 old lawnmowers at the curb. I'm putting it out right now. Dude ended up to be down the block from me. I zipped into my truck. Sure enough, they were just sitting there. Picked them up, and here they are. Good for man. Both self-propelled. At least that's what it's intended to be. Just preliminarily, this looks like the starter rope recoil starter is gonna need some attention. This one's missing a little cover there, covers the air filter base, and a belt cover. Might need a new brake cable and handle, which I have plenty of. This is a bad sign though. What is that? That is a carburetor float bowl nut. So pretty sure the carburetor's gonna need attention. But anyway, man, they're both pretty complete and intact. Shouldn't take too much to get these going. But self-propelled stuff is kind of tricky, you know. Anyway, free. So I'm gonna work on this one now, and so I checked the oil was down a little bit, added some. Missing that cover, as you know, and I did try to start it, and it sort of kind of wanted to start, but it felt strange, you know, so I lifted the back, lifted the thing, and it was missing the blade, so I just went and found one in my bag of parts, and it's a 20-inch. So I put the blade on there, then I tried to start it again, and started for a hot second, you know, but cables feel good. Put some gas in it, touched up the oil. I think it just needs a carb clean. It started for a little while, maybe 10 seconds or something, and then it stopped, you know, kind of sluggish. So I'll take that thing off and do a carb clean. I can already tell that this has been screwed with because A, it's missing a bolt there. B, that's not the right bolt for it. So I know somebody screwed with this. That's not good. Dude that messed with this has no idea what he's doing. The linkage is not even in the hole. It was doing nothing. Oh my God. The carb, however, is very clean. Super clean. Don't need to do nothing there. To my box of nuts and bolts. Got the right ones. I'm just going to put this back together again, see if it starts. Smoking! That's a lot of smoke, man. I had the linkage all wrong. Burn this off a little bit. Started right up though. Pretty easy fix. But it was all wrong. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.